guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker unboxing and a review of the Converse CARHARTT Chuck Taylor 70s collaboration. Before we get into the review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Show some love, drop some comments. We'd like to engage with you guys. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown at us, so bear with us on that front. And, hit that like button. We want to see those thumbs up just to show the love. Let's get into the review. So, as I mentioned, we've got a look at the Converse CARHARTT collaboration. And if you didn't know from the box, it's right there, slap bang, on the lid. And yes, as you can tell, I'm wearing my CARHARTT shirt to go along with this review. And this, for myself, this is a match made in heaven. If you are unfamiliar with us here at Oneupreviewz, we love Converses. Didn't know? Just check out that playlist. And also, if there are any Converse reps watching this, yo, get in touch. Like, I want to be a part of Converses so bad, so bad. With all that praise said, unfortunately, I know that these aren't gonna fit. Unfortunately, I didn't get my size. I had to get a UK size 8 because they were sold out. So I might be stuffing some socks in. And yeah, so before we get into the fit guide at the end of the review, I'm just giving you that preface, that little warning. So yeah, don't hate on me because I got a size 8. But anyways, let's get into the sizing. So we've got this in a UK size 8, you see a European 41.5, and unfortunately there's no US sizing, but as a rule of thumb, the men's US size is usually a size up from the men's UK, so it should be US size 9, and the women's is 2.5 sizes up, so it usually, there's a 10 here on the box, but what we found out that it usually is 2.5, like that's what Nike do. So it might be 10.5, but not 100% sure. So if you guys have more of an inkling, let us know in the comments. And before we get into the unboxing, I forgot to mention what color we got this bad boy in, and we got this Chuck 70 High in the Hamilton brown. So if you don't know, well, you're gonna know once we do the unboxing right here. So there it is. You must be familiar with this brown if you've worn CARHARTT or seen people wear CARHARTT. As I mentioned, this is a match made in heaven for myself, a big CARHARTT, a big Converse lover. And with all that said, let's start with the outsole. So at the outsole, we've got the normal rubber Converse outsole that everyone's so familiar with. It's so iconic. Moving along onto the midsole, so you have a higher cut midsole as opposed to the general release Converses. It's much more thicker, much more comfortable in my opinion, and it is in an off-white bone colorway with all that rubber I've mentioned. So at the toe box, there's more rubber here, so rubber toe box. There's more stitching on the Converse Chuck Taylor 70s that you'll find. And these are made out of the iconic Hamilton brown CARHARTT colorway. And it reflects so well with that Converse logo that's right there, because it uses that same orange, that same tint of orange that CARHARTT uses on their logo, which you can also see at the tongue, which is right there. You'll find that on a lot of CARHARTT products. So this is so dope. I mean, I'm a big fan of CARHARTT, as I've mentioned so many times. You could probably make a drinking game of all the times I've said CARHARTT. And I mean, if you were none the wiser, you'd think that they've just used the fabric. I mean, essentially they have used the fabric that they use on their work jackets on the upper, the typical 12-ounce canvas that you'll get in all Chuck Taylor 70s. So it's all there for a premium feel and its own durability. And yo, this is so dope. I forgot to mention about the insole. So the insole is an awful light insole, so you've got that comfort, you've got that cushioning, and it comes with the CARHARTT, did I say CARHARTT twice? The Converse CARHARTT logo right there on the heel. And at the back, you've got the monotone off-white Converse logo. It should also come with at the tongue before I rush into things. Yeah, so it's got the player name right here. So if you want to put your name on it, you can do whatever you want when they're yours. These also come in a Hamilton brown laces, so if you want to mix and match. But yeah, that rounds it off. As I mentioned before, prior to me unboxing, I'm so upset that I wasn't able to get my size. So right off the bat, I'll tell you guys that I know that these aren't going to fit me. It's going to be some space, but I'm going to make do. I've got some thick socks on, so roll that footage. We'll tell you all about the sizing right here, right now. When it comes to the fit, guys, try and get your true to size Converse fit. This being a UK size 8, I know that there's gaps at the toes. Other than that, these are really comfy and they look sick as hell. Before I round it off, guys, I totally forgot to mention this little detail that's on the aglets. It's got a Carhartt right there. It's really dope. And for those that don't know as well, Hamilton brown, that's owned by the Carhartt company, so you can only find this brown with Carhartt. With all that said, remember to like, comment and subscribe. I want to thank you guys for watching, as always. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on the Instagram account. And until next time, peace.